On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not working or not loading. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do after it get loaded, just scroll until you find TikTok and click on it like this. Now this is the app informations page. All what you want to do on this page is click on this option and then go here to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions here are enabled. Now go back to the settings on your phone, click on the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds and disable it after that, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.